educator on the behalf of Multi-Edu Hub. Today for our topic is number system and it's for class 9, 10 and 12. And please join with me. Okay. I just wait for 1 minute so that students can join. Then I will start. Please join everybody. And who join, please write the name. नाम लिखना है बच्चा आप लोगों को. मुझे पता नहीं चलता है कौन ज्वाइन किया कौन नहीं ज्वाइन किया. Okay, you join. I write the questions. Use Euclid's division algorithm find ACF of 135 and 2 to 5. Okay, use Euclid's division algorithm to find ACF of 135 and 2 to 5. It is 2010 में आया था. देखिए नॉर्मल ACF डिविजन मेथड में अप्लाई होता है. इधर भी डिविजन मेथड यू कैन अप्लाई बट लिटिल बिट राइटिंग पैटर्न चेंज. ठीक है और कुछ नहीं है. तो इधर सेम मेथड हियर इज अ व्हिच इज अ बिगर नंबर. दिस इज अ बिगर नंबर 225 and what is the smaller number 135 is the smaller number. So in that cases what you just divided 225 by 135. Okay, and till when the 0 is coming you do the division. And second time what is the rest one, you take that one you division by division. You just follow how to write it. First I tell here I write the graph. Two to 5 is divided by 1, 3, 5. So 1, 3, 5. 9. Okay. Now you write in this way. First step, number 1 step. 2 to 5 divided 1, 3, 5. Okay, divide here. So what's the result? 1 is our result. So you write 1, 3, 5 into 1 plus 90 because 90 is the remainder. I write in this way. Okay, now what's the second method? Now second time what you are doing, it is our remainder, and now I do this one. It's divided by 135 like as the division method. Only writing pattern change. 45. Now what's the second step? Second step. 135 divided by 90. And question is, if it is not 1, it can be 2, 3, 4, 5, any number. No problem. Then how can you write here? You can write here, it is 91. 90 into 1. If your answer is 354, then you write 90 into 3, 90 into 4, this one. We focus on only where is our remainder. That part we focus. Now our focus is 45. Okay. Now I divide the last line. 45 divided by 90. Like as the division method. But if you do in this method, not write to this method, in the board you get a big 0. Okay. So this is your math, and I do it by the in the graph. It is 90. No remainder is there. So how can I write? I can write in this way. 90 divided by 45. What's the result? It is 2. 2 into 45. 45 into 2. And there is no remainder, so write 0. Then what is the ACF? Our ACF is 45. So, ACF equal to 45. Okay? In the Euclid's division, it's come in the 9, 10, in the board also. Many times it's come. What's the method? Normal division method. But what's the difference? Difference is the writing pattern. Writing pattern is the difference. You first make it by normal division. What you are doing? What is the bigger one? You divide the bigger one by the smaller one. I do the first step. 225 divided by 135. Result is 1. Question is 1. Remainder is 90. We repeat the process till 0. When the remainder no, then the maths finish. Clear? And one more thing. Question, if you come question 2, 3, no problem. You can write in this way. 135 into 2 in this way. But this method is too much important for the board exam, and please write the method in this way. Okay? Clear? No? Okay? The students, if you can't understand, please write in the chat box. I will repeat it. One student join. Name is Maria Kinaya. Okay? Okay, thanks my dear. You join in my live class. Thanks, beta. Now I will go to the next math. Okay. Now I will go to the next one. Is it okay? Can you have it? Who joining the live? Next one. Find LCM. In the number system, different types of math can come. So I try to cover little bit part. LCM and HCF of 21, 26 and 91. Verify LCM into HCF equal to product of number. Okay. So what is the main part of that math? Math का main keyword किधर है? You have two numbers, 26 and 91. First normally you find out the LCM and HCF. You can apply any method which you learn from the class 6, 7, any class. You first find out. But one more thing, when I write the math, try to do it alone. Okay, this is your tutorial class. It's not dancing by anything classes you enjoy. You just copy the math, try to do it alone. If it is problem, then you check from the board. But every line I will explain you, no tension. First you write. First what I write? 26. I teach a method. Which one? You can write, find out normal ACL, division method ACL, and in this way you can find out the ACL. But I tell teacher new method. What you are doing? You first what you are doing? 26. 26 you do it by in this way. You divide it by the prime numbers. Okay? Prime numbers I do. It is 2 into 13. Okay? And what is the 91? 91 you do 91 13 7 into 13. Okay, clear up to this one? Up to this one? Okay? So, what is our mode? What is the ACF? ACF is a number which are present in both. So, here how can tell? I can understand that 13 is a common number. Common number is the ACF. So, what you are writing? ACF equal to 13. Clear? LCM. LCM is not the common number. What is the factors? You multiply all the factors. It is 2 into 7 into 13. You find out the LCM and ACF. What is the ACF? ACF is the common number. Which are the common is called the ACM. And now what is the LCM? All the numbers, all the factors which is present in the both number is called the LCM. So here there is 2 1 I write 2, there is 1 7 I write 7 and 13. Okay, then multiply it. 1 9 82. Up to this one, is it clear? Now come to the question. Question में मुझे आना है. Question में क्या चाहे? LCM into ACM. It is the left hand side. So I rub that part and find out the left hand side. Left hand side. What's the left hand side? LCM into ACM. Okay. What is our LCM? Our LCM is 182 into ACM is 13. Everybody multiply along do, then you check. Do start. I give you 1 minute's time. One 82, 13, 6. Three, 6, 6. Check it. Okay. 2, 3, 6, 6. Left hand side I completed. Then I complete the right hand side. Right hand side, what is the right hand side? Right hand side product of the number. Means what's our number? Number is 26 into 91. You just multiply it. 26 into 91, 6, 2, 3, 6, 6. Now you check. Left hand 2, 3, 6, 6 and right hand also 2, 3, 6, 6. So it is proved. So how can I write? I can write left hand side equal to right hand side. Is it clear? Is it clear? Please complete the math. Please complete the math. Next one. In this math, I will teach you a trick. एक ट्रिक सिखाऊंगी आप लोगों को. Find decimal expansion of 330 by 3125 and state its type. Means I give a fractions, you make it change into the decimal. It's a very normal thing. But where is the trick? When you find out the type, at that time I tell that trick. What is the trick? You just normally divide it. 13 divided by 3125. You just normally divide. Point 0.0000004. 4 means 12500. 005, then 1 0. Please complete the maths alone. Please. For point I give a 0. Here look, no remainder is here. Means what's the type of that one? This is a terminating decimals. Now question is how without transfer in the decimal how can you find out? कैसे आपको पता चलेगा ये क्या टाइप का है? तो आप क्या करना है उसके लिए? A very easy method I tell you. You first only how can you understand which type of this one? It is terminating, but how can you understand? You just what you are doing. It is a trick. ये देखिए सीखिए. You take the dominant one. Now you just make it the prime factorization method. Prime factorization. I make it first, then I give another example. Okay. Then how can I write? I write 5 into power 5. ठीक है. अगर आपका फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड में ओनली 2 और 5 आएंगे तो टर्मिनेटिंग है. अगर नहीं आएंगे, दूसरा टाइप का कुछ आएगा, तब वो दूसरा कुछ होगा. तो आई टीच यू अनदर वन. अभी मैं आपको टीच करूंगी दूसरा वन. जैसा है next one, you look. This one is 7 by 14. So I prime factorization method we apply to 10 to 5. तो ये क्या करेंगे? We can write in this way 2 to the power 3 into 5. दोनों में 2 और 5 है. So without division, without the decimal changing, you can tell it is a terminating. Now what's the another one? Another one I show. Another one I show. This is loop. 7 by 12. You check that. If you think I divide it and do this one, if recurring is coming and this one I decide no. You just do it by 12. You prime factorization method you apply. It is check. It is 12 equal to write 2 square into 3. So another one number is coming and it is also prime number. But in that case not only 2 and 5. 2 है और उसके साथ 3 भी है. So it is not terminating. Clear? You check in this way and you understand the math is okay or not. Clear? Now find the 5 rational number. 5 है तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? एक ज्यादा लेना है 6. First you check. If it is 5, you take 6. You can multiply by 10. It is also okay. Then your range become big. But it is a main trick. If it is 5, then you take one more. If it is 6, then you take 7. Okay? Equivalent rational number, you first change it. Okay? You change that fraction into equivalent number. Now first what I doing? What is the complex number? Someone asked me, but a complex number is a number where there are two parts. One is a real part and another one is the imaginary part. Udara, you can use in variable. Suppose 3 plus 2i. The I is changing the different movement. Here it is a complex number. And now first I change into 3 by 5 into 6 into 6. I make the fractions in the equivalent fraction rational numbers. So it is 18 to 13 and the last one is 4 by 5. Now 6 into 6 it is 24 by 30. Why I need this one? Because look, first fraction in this way there are in the first fraction outside number is 3 and the second number is 4. Between you can't understand what is the number will come. So you make that span, make the span कर दिया, थोड़ा बढ़ा दिया, so that you can understand. Okay, I check that now your range is 1830 starting point and it is given and 2430 is an ending point. Between that range you can write any numbers, but I need 5 numbers, so I can write in this way. In this case, 1830, what is this? This one is 3 by 5. And 2430, what is this? It is 4 by 5. Okay, मैं थोड़ा उसको span कर दिया so that you can understand what's number come, and this math is too much important. A type का math board में हमेशा ही आता है, तो आपको प्लीज प्रैक्टिस करो ए टाइप का मैथ्स 2015 में आया. एंड लिसन वन थिंग, if the question is 5 rational number, you multiply by 6. If you can multiply 10, no problem, but I tell because it is an easy method. If they tell 4, then you multiply by 5. If they want 7, you multiply by 8. Please complete the maths. Find 6 rational number between 3 and 4. You please do it. I'll give you 1 minute time. Please, after completing, you write the answer in the chat box. that cases, what you are doing? I want 6. So, what is our method? 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1. We multiply 7. Question is 3 and 4. How can I spend? You can spend in two methods. What is this? 3 and 4. So it is a real number. In that cases, you can apply 3.1, 3.2 in this way. But if you want, if you can do it by the fraction method also, what I have teach in my last math. I do the fraction method. Okay. Now I write this real number by the fraction. How can I write? I can write 3 by 1. 3 by 1 and 3 is the same. So I write 3 by 1. Now I multiply 7. Now it is 3 by 7. And this is 4 by 1 into 7. 28 by 7. 21 by 7 and 28 by 7 our range. Okay. Now you start to do. I give you 1 minute time. You complete and write the answer. So I write 21 by 7, then 22 by 7, then 23 by 7, 24 by 7, 25 by 7, 26 by 7, and 27 by 7, 28 by 7. Now what is the first number? First number is the 3 and last number is the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Check. 6 number come. Okay. So hope it is clear for you. Now it is also coming in the which year it is current? It is 2015. 2015 this time. Don't confuse. Don't confuse. If you can do in this way. 3.1, 3.2 it is also applicable. And if you want, you can do in this way. If you want, I learn only one method. It is also okay. Now I will go to the next math. Now I start little bit root. Okay. Root but rational part I start. Today is my first class on the chapter. I will take more class. At least 3-4 classes I will take. So just little bit I start. Root 3 minus 5 root 2 and root 3 plus 2 root 2. Addition. Okay. So at the time of addition, what you are doing? Focus it. If it is, first you check that in the numbers there are two parts. One is the root part and one is the normal part. If the root part is same, then you add or subtract. It is possible. If the root part is not same, but your before number is same, you can't do anything. Means first what you are doing, you just remove the bracket. Bracket remove karo. Here there is a plus, so plus root 3 plus plus. It is also plus 2 root 2 up to this one. Okay. Please copy the maths from the board. Now check. Check what's the part. Look, there is root 3 part is there and here also root 3 part is there. What I am telling, if the root part is same, then we can add, we can subtract anything. Here now, what's the number? Here there is only root 3. There is no number. So, no previous number. In that cases, you take 1. So, it is 2 root 3 and it is 1 root 3. So, what's the answer? 2 plus 1. It is 3 root 3. 3 root 3. Now, go to the second step. Now, you check this one. 5 root 2. And this is 2 root 2. Both the root part are same. So, in that cases, we can do the addition or subtraction. Now, question, what's the applicant? Here it is minus 5 root 2. Number is 5 and here it is plus 2 root 2. So, minus plus, what's the formula? Minus plus minus. So, 5 minus 2, what's the result? It is 3. 3 root 2. And what's the sign? Before which is a bigger one, you use that sign. So, I use minus sign. I repeat this part one more time. What I am telling, when there is root, you check the root part. If the root part is same, then we can add or subtract. Okay? So in that way, what is the root part? I check 2 root 3 and root 3. This is the same root part. So that is 2 and that is 1. No number means 1, 1 and 3. And same, we do the same. 5 root 2 and this one. Then question, answer, it is the answer. If you write in that part and you think it is okay, I am telling, as a teacher, I am telling, no, it is not okay. Why? But you take common. Without common, your math is not complete. And it is our answer. Okay, clear? You take the common, 3 common, root 3 minus root 2. This is our answer. Okay? If it is okay, can I go to the next math? I give you one addition. Everybody try to do what you understand. You please apply it. I give you one more addition. root 2 plus 5 root 3 minus 7 root 5. 2 root 2 plus 5 root 3 minus 7 root 5. And 3 root 3 minus root 2 plus root 5. Addition. First you start to do 1 minute. After that I will help you. First I remove the bracket. 2 root 2 plus 5 root 3 7 root 5 plus डालिए bracket डाल. No need to bracket root 5. Then one step you check. One step you should check it. Okay? 2 root 2. There is 1 root 2. And here there is 1 root 2. So there is plus and there is minus. 2 minus 1 means root 2. Okay? And the big one number is 2. So that is a plus sign. Now check the root 3 part. 5 root 3 and 3 root 3. Plus 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 8 root 3. Then one next one. Next I will check the root 5 part. Root 5 7 root 5 plus root 5 minus plus minus 7 minus 6 root 5. What's the answer? What's the sign we apply? Minus. Why it is minus? Because 7 is a bigger number. So this one. Please complete the math from the board. Now I will teach you how to multiply. How will multiply it? If there is any doubt, please write in the chat box. Please write in the chat box. If there is any problem, write in the chat box. Next, what's the math? 3 root 8 by 3 root 2. This is multiply. I am not using this one. I use multiply sign. Okay? In that cases, how can you do? First, your normal number you normally multiply. Then we multiply the root part. So 3 into 3, what's the answer? It is 9. And then come the root part multiply. Root 8 into root 2. So you use the root sign. 8 into 2, 16. So what I am telling? When there is a number with root, in that cases, how can you multiply? First you multiply normal numbers. Normal part you this one. And then you multiply the root part. Okay? Now I give you one math. You do it and tell me what's the answer. 5 root 2 into 3 root 2. Tell me the answer. Anybody please write the answer. Anybody please write the answer. If anybody know, if anybody complete the math, please write the math number in the chat box. Please write. Please write. Okay. Now I start to do. Then I tell that kid's name if anybody write. What I am telling first the normal part you multiply. 5, 15. Then what you are doing? Root 2 into root 2. 2 you multiply. It is 4. If you think here the math is finished, I tell no. Why it is not? Because root 4 you can do this one. If you do it root 4 it is 2. So the answer is 30. Our answer is 30. Anybody do? Can I check? Very good. Super. 2 students do it. Weekend and Charlie. Okay? Thank you, my dear. Lots of love for you. And please, everybody active हो जाइए, participate करिए, करके आंसर लिख दीजिए. Shout your name. A big clap for Abhigyan and Shalvi. Now, x is equal to root 13 plus 2 root 3. Find the value of x minus 1 by x. Find the value of x minus 1 by x. अगर ये टाइप का मैथ्स एग्जाम में आए तो डोंट कंफ्यूज. स्टेप बाय स्टेप यू डू. व्हाट यू डू? You know the value of x. X is equal to root 13 plus 2 root 3. You know this one. Now you find out the 1 by x value. 1 by x. आपको 1 by x लिखना है. x अभी डाउन पे आ गया. So I write this one. Root 13 plus 2 root 3. Now what you are doing? You just remove the root from the denominator part. So what you are doing? There is a plus sign. You just multiply, say up and down minus sign with minus sign. So what I am doing? 13 minus 2 root 3. And this one 13 plus 2 root 3 multiply root 13 minus 2 root 3. Clear? Clear हो गया है? अभी ये करेंगे. इसमें क्या होता है देख रहा हूँ. root 13 minus 2 root 3 and this is root 13 whole square. Very good. Minus 2 root 3 whole square. Clear? I go to the next part. नेक्स्ट पार्ट में क्या है? √13 minus 2√3 by 3 √3 square means क्या है? √13 square means only 13 minus 2√3 whole square. It means 2 square means 4. √3 into √3 means 3. 4 into 3 12. So 13 minus 12 it is 1. The result is 13 √13 minus 2√3. अभी मैंने x और 1/x का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कर लिया. नाउ व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, अभी क्या करना है मुझे? नाउ व्हाट दे वांट, उसको क्या चाहिए देखिए. व्हाट्स द क्वेश्चन? क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ x minus 1/x. So put the value of x. X means √30 plus 2√3 and minus sign. 1/x का वैल्यू क्या है? It is 2√3. Remove the bracket. √13 cancel. 4√3. It is the most important math. Please complete it. Okay, so if this type of must come, in that cases what you are doing, you, if they are giving the x value, you find out the 1/x value, then put the formula. So today I teach only one math. Next day I will come and teach more maths. In that chapter I will give at least 2-3 live classes. So don't tension, join every day in my class and clear your doubt. So coming exam you will score a good mark. If you like my teaching, please join with me. Subscribe my channel, Multi-Edu Hub. And thanks everybody who joined in my class and who watch my video. Bye. Bye everybody.